Hi there, this is Chanel from Checkout Page. In today's video, we'll take a look at how you can link one form page to another form page, creating a multi-step flow. First, we'll take a look at how you can link two form pages together. Then we'll take a look at how you can pre-fill the information in the fields of the second form. Let's jump in. This is a form page that I've already created. We'll use this as our first form. To link a second form, click After Submission from the top menu, and then After Submission from the left side menu. Select the option Next Page. You can click here to select, or type to search the second form. I've selected the form page and I've made the second step of my registration flow. Now let's click Save. And now we can test our flow by clicking Test Submissions from the top right corner. And in the form preview, let's input our details. And let's click Join Now. And we're now taken to our second form page, which asks us to input our dietary restrictions. And as you can see here, the name and email address fields are already pre-filled. This is because the references for these fields are the same on both my form pages. So let's take a look at how we can check if our field references for both forms are the same, or how we can set for the references to be the same. Let's check the references for the name and email fields on this first form page by clicking Form from the top menu, and then Fields from the left side menu. Let's open up the name field, scroll down, click Additional Settings, and let's take note of the reference of the name fields. The reference is customer_name. Now let's check the reference for the email address field by opening the field up, scrolling down, opening Additional Settings, and the reference is customer_email. Now from my dashboard, I'm going to open up my second form by clicking Pages from the left side menu, filtering my page list by only forms, and clicking my Step 2 form. And here's the edit view of my second form. Now let's check if the reference for my name and email fields are the same as my first form. Let's click Fields from the left side menu, open up the name field, and yes, the reference is the same. Now for the email address field, the reference is the same as the first form as well. Therefore, the references for both fields are the same for both forms, which is why when customers input their name and email address on the first form, it's automatically pre-filled on the second form. If you'd like to add another page to this form flow, it's possible. To link a third form to this second form, click After Submission from the top menu, and then After Submission from the left side menu. Click Next Page, and then search or type to select a third form page that you've already created. You can link together as many form pages as you'd like. And that's a quick overview of how you can create a multi-step form page flow. Thanks for watching.